Today we're at Faver Dykes ST Park at low tide. We've been zigzagging all over this channel. Can't find a channel up through here for us. The weather's gorgeous, pretty windy, so we decided to go saltwater. Trying to lay down a track into the state park. It's supposed to be good fishing. Caught 4 little sheep's head with rod and reel a little bit ago. But we just rescued crab traps laying all over here that look like maybe they got washed out in the storm. They're just laying there in the middle of the water. This one was in 6 inches, so we're now run aground, but that's okay. But we caught a couple traps in our trap.
A couple dead ones and a couple live ones.
Rescue 911. We are going to dispose of this. There's a crab right there, and a couple other ones. There's another one right there. They were in the trap and they got trapped, so they would have died anyway. But we're gonna go dispose of this so that he's not in the waterways that anybody else runs over it. But so far not so good. Trap number 3. Catching trap. They're abandoned. They must have got away in the storm. Boat hazards. We're doing our civic duty today. This would be number 3. Their crab got out. So this is number 3. We're still in 1.5 foot of water. We're in less than that? We're in 6 inches of water? Whoa. Fish on. Ooh, it is a red. Huh? It is a red. Is it illegal? 12. Oh no, 19. They have to be 19. Look at that. He's beautiful.
You want to take a picture?
No, it's okay. I kind of got one right here. What is he? 15.
Nice red, 15 and a half.
Pretty sure they have to be 18, right? Coral. Gotta watch that too. Gotcha! Shrimp gone, coral on. Yep. He's not very big, whatever he is. Oh, you threw off my shrimp, you little bugger. Right there goes my shrimp. That's one of those. That's a little one, isn't it? Oh, fish on. Another little one. This time I still got me. So that's what the drums were chasing.
I think that's what the drums are chasing. Yep. Oh, that's the right tide.
Another bait fish. Don't throw off my shrimp. I'm going to need that later. Fish on. This one's bigger. Not by much, but it's bigger. Maybe not. Sheep's head.
Still on a program.
And he took my shrimp. You bugger. He is tiny. Another bait fish. How many does that make? 6? I'm assuming some oyster beds.
Crab.
I don't know. Whatever it was finally let go. Broke my hook. Must have been a or the oyster bed. Oysters. He's dragging something. He's not dragging your shrimp. I had a fish the whole time.
Fish and you didn't even land.
Boy, he didn't jerk or nothing. Is there anything else jumping?
See anything else hitting the surface or back swimming? Or...
Oh, apparently I have a fish. Yep. Oh!
Keep the tip up, keep the tip up.
I don't know yet. It's under everything. He's a fast little bugger. Catfish. Yeah. 4 different kinds. I'm not sure I'm making any headway. I'm thinking I'm snagged on the bottom because it's no longer moving. Could have sworn it was moving. Yep. Either that or it's a really big fish. Yeah, I got a fish. Alright. It's 3 o'clock. We're still at Faver Dykes. We're out of shrimp. I got my last little dribble shrimp on. He's got a couple little bait fish floating out there. We caught a couple crabs. We ended up with, at this point, 5 sheephead, a red drum, wasn't legal, catfish, and a whole bunch of little, I don't know what they were, but we're using them for bait. But we had a good day. I'm thinking I'm sunburned pretty good. Ran out of battery, put the camera away, and since then Jeff has caught a second catfish. Well, I caught the first.
One little catfish.
lost your fish. But he took a live bait. Oh, he took your chunk. Catfish. Another catfish? Oh, he was a big one too.
Pretty good size, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, this one.
The red one again? Your bait fish. Oh. Or is that your fish?
The bait fish.
Thought you had something on it?
Somebody had it.
Maybe a crab? He's on the bottom?
No, it was born.
Oh. Had something thinks he was tasty? We gonna find out?
Find out. Oh, we let go.
You let go again. What is it? Another big catfish. Oh, look! He swallowed that sucker whole.
That's what happened to that last one.
Yep.
Pulled him out.
Yeah, when you were jerking them in.
Pretty nice sized catfish.
Yeah, we could have had catfish for dinner.